and now you have a nice that is carrying going, a nice almost 5.98 or 1 to 6. That's how I would have taken the trade. I would even more. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a short video, a quick video on gold, breaking down, chart breakdown. So today is a Saturday. The markets will be open on the Monday and Sunday evening in the UK here. And I'll just quickly get into it without wasting any time. So okay, these are my thoughts on maybe where gold could probably go next. Will that exactly happen? No, but let's do okay. So first, look at the 4-hour time frame. So first, price created a rejection here. Then we had a breakout. Price carried on going up, came back down. Right. I want to obviously speak in most simple way I possibly can, as if I'm showing it to a 5-year-old. That's the best way to teach beginners in my eyes. Not to use big words, keeping it nice and simple. We got our next, the previous resistance is now the new support. Price has if you look at here, if I zoom in, if you look here guys, we got a support level here, and then we got another rejection wick here. So then what I like to do is, look at this guys, this wick and this wick is touching the line, so the correct level would be, I would say, around 22.300, just to keep, if you are to round it down. Then price breaks through, then another support here, another support here. So rejection again. Look, wick comes down, rejection, wick breaks through, comes back up. Now would you take a sell from here guys? I wouldn't, and I'll tell you why. Can you see this candle here, bullish candle on the 4-hour time frame? Yes, there was a rejection here, but that alone, let's just break it down to actually, so you get a better understanding. And I'll just totally block that out of the way. Okay, 1 minute guys, let's break this down even more. So go down to a small time frame. Okay, as you can see here, we got this huge rejection here. Now this, a lot of people might be like, okay, this candle here is on the 1-hour time frame, so it's a strong signal, you should sell. Because why? Okay, break, if the price is broken through, now it's retesting here, but then it's created this candle. But don't always go off just one candle alone, not always. Why not this time? I would go off the one candle alone if this was a strong bearish trend, but it's not, right? If you look at this huge bullish candle, right? So with the momentum, then you got this bearish. Now okay, sellers are strongly in control. Again, 1, 2, 3. But then look at this guys, huge bullish candle here, right? A lot of momentum here. So do I really want to be taking a sell just because of that one candle rejection there? No, I'll be more cautious. That's what you're supposed to do. Wait more, patience. It's not the best. Like, look at this guy, the 4-hour time frame. Normally, plus this is like not the best morning star, but it is a morning star, which is normally a buy signal. You got this rejection candle here, but this closed above the line, the psychological key level. It closed above, so as in my eyes there's no value. Then look at this candle here guys. Excuse me, huge rejection, 4-hour candle closed above. That's a buy signal. And look, just keeps going, so okay, already 4 minutes into the video. Let's I was just breaking down if you have to take an entry, if you have to take a buy or a sell. So but gold's a crazy beast anyway, isn't it? It doesn't always, the signals that it gives, it doesn't always listen. That's why just make sure guys, your winners are bigger than your losses. My average to reward are 1 to 10, 1 to 8 sometimes. So it just keeps me longer in the game. Okay, so where do I think price could potentially go, right? Okay, so back to drawing the key levels. Just one moment. Now look at this guys, and I've noticed every time I make a video guys, when I use here lags, don't know if you noticed it. Okay, we've got rejection here, rejection. If I had to draw key level, it would be, I would say about let's just say, call it the 300 area, right? 300 area. Okay, so it's the, just one moment, get exactly 2005.300. now prices come above, right? So now to me, just one moment, if I draw another area. Now guys, remember, you don't want to draw too many of these areas, you don't want to, just keep your charts clean as possible. Now if you notice guys, I'm not using any indicators. See, it's lagging now, which is quite does. So 2037.700, call it. Okay, now this is the 4-hour time frame, right? Now price has broken the previous highs, well, so in my eyes, even though yes, on the 4-hour time frame is, well, I would say it's pretty much, we are in a downtrend, we are in a pretty much downtrend. So I would really focus on, now because we are in a downtrend, I would be mostly interested in sells. But how would I even look at this, right? I will wait for price to break above this level. If I just draw this, do a breakout like that. If you're looking at the break and retest strategy, I would wait for something like this. Or if I'm looking for a sell because we are in a downtrend, right, I would like price to break through this, come back up here, and then do something like this. But then I wouldn't, just one moment, if I just draw these, one moment guys, I would mark the high of the previous high, so around, that's like 4.7% you could get out of that trade, and out of this trade you could get around, I imagine on a $100,000 prop firm account, these are nice numbers, almost 3%. So that's what I would be looking for. Now will price exactly do that? No, price could do whatever the hell it wants, right? But this is something, I don't trade gold, but this is something I would be watching out for next week. I mean, look here guys, price comes down here, a lot of volume. Now you gotta remember also guys, look, a lot of huge volume comes in. Now this is gonna think, okay, when price comes back up, then boom, it's gonna carry going down. But no, the secret is guys, you let the candles close. Look, huge bullish candle here, you wait for the candle to close. Now it's closed above, so it means price doesn't want to stay below this cycle, this key level here. Now again, see, you get this rejection, you could have taken a buy. How would I have taken a buy? If I go back in time, just one moment. Okay, break this down on the 15 minutes. Look straight away guys, morning star, can you see it? That's the morning star buy signal. So you could have, just one moment, could have taken the trade here. That's too big. I would have, because now I know prices want to stay below, don't go below this key level, I would have made the stop loss below the key level. That would have given me a nice 1 to 2 there. See, a nice 1 to 2 there. It's 2% on a 100k account, that's 100 grand. If you wanted a better entry, just one moment, then just break it down even more. Now, okay, if you wanted a better entry guys, I would have done this. Okay, rejections here in the past. Now look at this, rejection, second rejection, third rejection, a little bit of rejection here. Look at these wicks, multiple rejections here. Candle, so what price level was this? If we look at this, it would have been 2025.100. so now I know it doesn't want to go below that price. So this, what I put the stop loss there, below this rejection wick here, and now you have a nice, if you were that is carrying going, a nice almost 5.98 or 1 to 6. That's how I would have taken the trade. I would have been more patient and waited. So I hope this was helpful guys. I'm going to be doing a lot more chart breakdowns, don't worry. But yeah, make sure you hit that like, hit that like and subscribe. Plenty more chart breakdowns I'm going to do on every currency pair. So stay tuned, and I'm out.